from past 2 years, I was facing hair loss and I had a severe dandruff and oily, itchy skin. One fine day, I got introduced to Hairfree and Hairgrow. Environment is very good and very calm here, and hygiene was also fully maintained. So I'm quite impressed with that also. Hello. Actually, from past 2 years, I was facing hair loss and I had a severe dandruff and oily, itchy skin. And so due to that, I have consulted to other doctors also in my city and other places. But I haven't got that much good results there. Then one fine day, I got introduced to Hairfree and Hairgrow. And so I contacted to their team. The team was very friendly and good. And they helped me with my all doubts and queries. And they even assisted me as for how many grafts I will require and how much cost it will go and how the procedure will be. And doctors also given me the proper directions. And tomorrow I have my surgery and I am hoping good results as I will grow maximum hair back. It was very friendly and very fine because initially I was very confused with the people and was not much aware of it. But then later team of the hair grow made me feel comfort and guided me well and also cleared my all doubts there. Environment is very good and very calm here, and hygiene was also fully maintained. So I'm quite impressed with that also. As I have planned my hair transplant here in Hairfree Hairgrow. So the day before yesterday and yesterday I had 2 sessions of my hair transplant. So I felt very safe and very fine there. Overall, I was expecting a good surgery and that was there, and I am happy with my experience. And even all other staff of the Hairfree Hairgrow, as from the doctors to the everybody is there. Everyone is so frank and so sweet with us, and they have helped in all manner to me. And even if somebody is having any kind of major concerns regarding their hair fall and hair issues, they can consult to Hairfree Hairgrow. I will must recommend them. Proper hygiene and everything was maintained here, and food was also of the best quality as I have saw, because it is the main essential thing while we are going through the surgery. And so every parameter of the hygiene was maintained there, and I was very satisfied, quite satisfied with that. So initial anesthesia part was bit there, pain was there, a small amount of pain I will say, but later on it was gone. It was so smooth and there was no pain and any blood kind of I experienced or fear, that kind of thing. So, and even the environment in the operation theater was so good and so entertaining due to the surgery staff, and so I felt very fine there. I haven't scared, that's why it was very good there, I must say. Totally overall I am very satisfied because there was a follow-up, there was every small thing they take care of, and literally there if you have any confusions regarding any kind of thing, so they are assisting very well. So it was totally good. Overall I was very happy, now looking for the best results soon. Thank you Hairfree Hairgrow.